Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to design your project with wood in Crafty. Wood is one of the favorite materials for creating all kinds of projects thanks to its versatility. At Crafty, you'll find everything you need to bring your ideas to life in wood and easily carry out your designs. In our catalog, you'll find most of the rectangular profiles available on the market, both in inches and millimeters, so you can work with whichever measurement system you prefer. We offer thicknesses ranging from 1 to 6 inches, making them ideal for different applications, from coverings to structures. How do you find the profile you need? If you're only working with wood, we recommend filtering your search by material and choosing wood. Then, if you can't find the profile you need among so many options, you can go to the sizes section and look for your specific measurement in inches or millimeters. You also have the option to use the search bar and type in the exact type of profile you need. What other wood products do we offer? In each category of the profile you choose, you'll find several available options. Most include profiles with cuts ranging from 15 to 30 degrees, perfect for projects that require this type of finish. You'll also find different types of wood panels such as OSB or particle board in standard market sizes and with various thicknesses. They are ideal for both indoor and outdoor coverings, although their use is only limited by your creativity. You'll also find a wide variety of doors designed for different uses, adapting to any style or project. In addition, we offer the most common sizes of wooden pallets, ideal for construction, storage, or even for making furniture. It's important to mention that we also have a wide variety of wood plates designed to provide support and stability for your projects, whether you need to reinforce structures, join pieces, or securely fasten elements. How are wood profiles used? When you load one of these profiles, you'll notice that several parameters appear which you can modify. The first parameter corresponds to the size. Here you can select the measurement system you prefer, inches or centimeters. Next, you'll be able to adjust the length of the profile. You can modify the height and also adjust the width of the profile according to your needs. Then, we have the rotation parameter. Here you can adjust the rotation of the profile on the different axes, X, Y, or Z. You can also duplicate your profile using the 2x parameter, which creates a copy of the selected profile. Additionally, with the nx parameter, you can generate multiple copies, defining both the quantity and the distance between them. I'll leave you the link to the tutorial where we go deeper into this topic. Lastly, you can also quickly duplicate your profile by using Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+B to paste. The next parameter is for cuts and perforations. Here you can make the cuts your profile needs with all the shapes and possibilities your creativity allows. We recommend watching the tutorials where we go deeper into this topic to get the most out of it. Next, we have the color and texture parameter. Here, you can choose from a wide range of colors for your profile, as well as various textures, so your design has a visual coherence and a more realistic appearance. I'll leave you the link to the tutorial where we talk about this tool. Lastly, there's the screws and nails parameter, where you can choose from a wide range of screws, nails, and wooden dowels. This tool will help you calculate the amount of materials you need to bring your project to life. We recommend watching the tutorial where we explain everything about how to use it. Let's go back to the beginning for a moment. When you load a profile, you'll notice some blue plus signs on all sides of the profile. When you click on one of them, the entire catalog of elements compatible with this wood profile will appear on the right. When you choose to add a wood profile, you'll notice that positioning options appear. Here, you can select the position where you want to place the new profile and also adjust its rotation according to your needs. When you select one of these options, you'll notice that all the parameters we saw earlier also apply to this new profile. But now I want to show you the Move parameter. By selecting this option, you can freely move the profile across the surface of the face where you placed it. This is the first way to position your profile. The second way is with the input boxes. You'll see some boxes with specific measurements. By clicking on one of them, you can modify the values and your profile will be positioned automatically. Another way to position your profile is with the alignment points. By clicking on any of these points, your profile will automatically align with precision. Lastly, you can use the offset parameter. By modifying these values, you'll notice how your profile adjusts and positions itself exactly where you want it. It's important to mention that this new wood profile can also be separated using the on-snap parameter. When you click this button, your piece will separate, and you'll be able to use parameters like alignment, snap, veneer, and free movement. I'll leave you the link to the tutorial where we talk in more detail about positioning. In addition to compatibility with other wood profiles, you'll notice that there's a wide range of compatible materials and connectors, in case you want to combine and add more elements to your design. For example, you can join wood with PVC using a connector. You can also add a corrugated panel to create a cover. Or you can use a wood plate to join two profiles. With these options, you'll be able to take your design to another level, and the possibilities are practically endless. I encourage you to experiment with all the combinations and discover for yourself all the possibilities you can achieve. Remember, if there's a part you need and can't find, you can send us an email and we'll add it to the catalog. Now let's apply all this knowledge in a practical exercise. Let's quickly and easily design this wooden table. First, we look for the 2x4 inch profile. Next, we adjust its length to 27 inches and apply NX at a distance of 16 inches. Then, to the first profile, we're going to add the same profile but 4 inches. We select the third option. We rotate it 90 degrees and then once it's loaded, we'll move it into place using the points. And we adjust its length to 16 inches. Then, to this profile, we apply NX at a distance of 24 inches. Now we're going to select the frame we've created and apply NX at a distance of 30 inches. At this point, we're going to change the color of these elements. First, we select it and then click on Colors and Textures and apply the dark gray color. Next, we're going to click on this profile here and add the same 4-inch profile. We select the second option and rotate it 90 degrees. Then we're going to move it toward one of the corners using the points and adjust its length to 37 inches. For this profile, we're going to assign the texture you like the most. Next, we're going to apply NX at a distance of 0.4 inches and duplicate the profile 6 times. Finally, we're going to select the entire design and click on the Check Snap button. Also, don't forget to save your project once it's finished. Done! That's how easy and simple it is to design with wood in Crafty. Before we finish, I want to mention something important. If you plan to build your design in real life, go to the parts list. There you can automatically generate groups and then create your assembly instructions. I recommend watching the tutorials where we explain this process in detail. And that's it. I hope this tutorial is very helpful for you to create and carry out your wood designs.